अमरीकी कांग्रेस के रुकन चीन चाकरू सिकी ने भी मकबूजा कश्मीर की सूरत हाल पर गहरी तशवीश का इजहार किया है। उनका कहना है भारतीय हुकूमत की जानिब से जम्मू कश्मीर की हैसियत की तब्दीली के फैसले ने एक खतरनाक बहरान पैदा कर दिया।
उन्होंने अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा से मुतालबा किया कि वो बहरान के खात्मे के लिए अपना मौसर किरदार अदा करे। मजीद क्या कहा, देखिए।
This is Congresswoman Jan Schakowsky. I am very, very concerned about the incursion of anti-human rights that's going on the part of India in Jammu and Kashmir. The incarceration, disappearing really of people, the shutdown of communications, the lack of just the humanitarian danger that there is, that there are lynchings and rapes and all kinds of violence against the residents there. There's hospitals that are lacking the medicines that they need. This is being brought about by, right now, the government of India, who changed its policy toward this region that for decades and decades has had a different status, self-determination, and now India has moved particularly against the Muslims. Religious leaders have disappeared, and really the United States needs to speak out. The United Nations needs to speak out against really the atrocities that are happening right now in that region. This is a very dangerous situation. You know that both India and Pakistan are nuclear countries. It is important that the world community establish law and order once again and establish human rights once again.